Yeah, and so I guess kind of to tie it back all back to the workshop here. So is that really sort of who you're tailoring this content for? Is sort of the small company who is starting up and is looking into some of these novel compounds and they're looking for funding. They can come to the workshop and kind of learn some best practices to the best way to get some funding.
No, actually, it's meant to go across the spectrum. It's meant to reach out to biotech companies. It's meant to reach out to pharma companies. It's meant to reach out to small companies. It's meant to reach out to P&G, companies that are not biotech or pharma oriented, that are out on the outside looking in. Because what we've all been about, GP, Golden Eagle Partners, has always been about, Ben, is help providing, trying to find the best capital for the best companies, whether it's inside or outside of cannabis. And
Hmm.
that also means to be the purveyor of objective information to a lot of these companies that are on the outside looking in that don't understand the sector. And frankly, we understand it better than a lot of people. And frankly speaking, whether it's a big company or small company, and they want to get into cannabis, the smartest thing that they could do is come to Golden Eagle Partners and say, what should we do? Instead of trying to go in there and throw a lot of money at it and lose it. Because I can guarantee you one thing that's for sure in cannabis, there's been a lot of money lost by people that have been too arrogant and with too little arrogance and too much arrogance and too little humility. It's a fact. So if companies want to understand the cannabis sector better, especially where the science is going, then yeah, they would be prudent to show up at the capital markets workshop.